Welcome to 3 Minute Mechanic, where we make the long and tedious fast and easiest. It's almost summertime and it's getting hot outside, but our AC unit is not blowing cool on the inside. So we're going to use our STP AC Pro and try and get the AC unit all charged up. Okay, now let's get under the hood. On the left side of the engine bay, we're going to be looking for the low pressure valve. This will be labeled with an L. Go ahead and remove this cap and put it in a safe place. Once this is done, let's break out our brand new can of STP AC Pro. We're going to unscrew the top gauge here and use that first thing. Mind you, before this, we did make sure that the compressor is running and there were no issues with the fuse box. So continuing forward, let's go ahead and get this quick connect fitting and lift up on the end and hear it snap into place. Here we can see that we're on the low side of things. Once you confirm that you need a charge, go ahead and turn on your vehicle, turn the AC to max AC and put it on full blast. Make sure you also have it on recirculation mode. This is important. It's time to shake things up. Shake, shake, shake. All right, get that gauge, get your canister, screw things into place, and get your trigger finger ready. All right, here we go. Press that trigger and move the bottle from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. You'll want to hold the trigger down for approximately 10 to 15 seconds and check your reading afterwards. When letting go, you'll see the needle move into the green location. This will tell you when to stop. All right, ladies and gentlemen, kitties and unicorns, we're going back into our vehicle and let's make sure we feel that cold air. Ah, yes, summertime's here and it's no problems. All right, before you go driving in that summertime sunshine, go back under the hood and grab your low pressure valve cap, check both, and make sure they both fit like a glove. There you have it, folks. Another quick and easy video from your friends at 3 Minute Mechanic. We appreciate you tuning in, and hopefully we saved you some money on the way. As always, like and subscribe and drive safe.